guys, welcome back to another video. So today is the Nutty Nail Co collab day. What do you guys think to my new Nutty Nail Co mat? What the lovely Joe made me. How cool is that? Thank you so much, chick. I love it. So the theme today was chosen by Sarah, and the theme that she has chosen is birthday nails. So I've pulled out a few Varnail products today. So I'm going to be using their base coat, their white gel paint. It's actually a stamping gel, but I haven't got their white gel polish, so I'm going to use that. And I'm going to use their Jelly Magenta gel polish. So I thought, with it being February, the birthstone for February is Amethyst. So I wanted to do some Amethyst nails. Hence why I want to try this Jelly Magenta Jelly Gel Polish. I'm going to be working on tips today. So my tips are all ready to go. And I'm going to start off by giving all 4 tips a coat of this Magenta Jelly Gel. These jelly gels, guys, are so bright. Look at that. Beautiful colour. So I'm going to give all 4 tips a coat of the Jelly Magenta. I'm not going to cure that. Then into that, I'm using the white stamping gel, and I'm just going to run some faint lines. Didn't really want it to be that thick. Just like that. Then I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure. And I'm going to do this on all 4 tips.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Yeah, that one. Right, now pulled out loads of different glitters, Mylar, not a clue which I'm going to use yet. So I've pulled this one out, which was from Aliexpress. I really like the shift on that. I pulled some hollow purple Mylar. Pulled out Violet Crush from HCS. And I pulled out this chameleon Mylar from Aliexpress, and then I've pulled out this white one as well. So I've not got a clue which ones I'm going to use yet. I might just, I don't know, just, oh, and I pulled this one out as well, which is a black Mylar. I don't think I'm going to use that though, because it's got like a blue shift to it. So I don't think I'm going to use that one. But all of these, I might just put a little bit of each in, I think. I'm so bad, guys, when it comes to picking things like this. So bad. So because this hasn't got a tacky layer, guys, I'm just going to apply a really thin coat of base coat. Just to stick these bits of Mylar into. Super thin coat. Like that. and pop that in the lamp to cure. And I'm going to do the same on the other 3 nails as well, but I'll do that off camera just to save a bit of time. Right, so that's all cured in place. Now I'm going to go in with another coat of Jelly Magenta. Again, a really nice thin coat. And then I'm going to do some more little white lines. Like that. I'm just going to give it one more coat of this Jelly Magenta. I'm just going to do the odd very thin white lines. Just like that. And then I'm going to give that a cure. Right guys, you'll see that purple is a slightly darker purple. I wasn't really happy with the colour. It was a little bit too pink for the colour that I needed. So I have gone over with another jelly gel what I had of a different brand. I've cured that and then I've given them a coat of base coat. Because into that and around the edges, I want to stick these bits of gold leaf just around the edges. And that is that one done. Ready for top coat. So I'm going to do the same on all the rest of these 3 nails and then top coat them and we'll come back and take a look at them. Right guys, these are now ready for top coat. So I'm using the Varnail tempered top coat. Amazing top coat this is, super shiny. Stays shiny for ages. Wears really, really well and applies really nice too. So that's them all finished, guys. What do you think? I'm not sure they look like amethyst nails, but I think they're alright. I don't mind them. I think they look more like lightning strikes, to be honest. But yeah, they're alright. So like I said, guys, these were for the Nutty Nail Co collab. The theme being birthday nails, chosen by Sarah. And it's Sarah's birthday today, so happy birthday, chick. Hope you have a lovely day. Everything that I've used today, guys, I'm going to leave listed in my description box below. I've also got a 25% off Varnail code, guys, which is GG30, if anyone wants to make use of that. I'll leave a list of everyone that's took part in the collab in my description box below. And I'll also leave a link to the playlist as well, and I'll pin that in my comments. So anyone that's done a video, you'll be able to head over and watch their videos there. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.